Guys, welcome back. This is Cricket with another sticker haul. This one is from So Cute Planner. I PR for her, so you can use my code PRCRI318 for 20% off. So let's get started. I want to show you all the goodies that I got. I have two of them actually from her. Look at that. Give me all the washi. I love that note card. Okay, first things first. Here's the freebie that you can get when you order. And then if you mention my name, then you get this beautiful rose gold freebie. Isn't that pretty? So make sure you mention my name so you can get that. And then she gives you this card. I love to write little notes on the back of mine. And then I ordered some Hobonichi kits. I'm so excited. So here is the first one. This one is called Sweet Summer. And here's the first page. And then there's the second page. So she gives you a lot. She gives you complete to-do boxes, the 3 heart check boxes, quarter boxes, half boxes, habit trackers, and then your days over here, your water trackers, your dates, bill dues. Then you have the 2 different versions of washi, one for the top, one for the bottom if you want. Your dates, your baby functionals. So you get a lot out of her kits. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. So there's the first one I got. This is the second one. It says, "Be courageous, wonders will follow." Isn't that pretty? And this one's the Sweet Succulents. And then here is the second page. I love them. She gives you so much in a kit. This one is Books in Bloom. And then, last but certainly not least, Blue Macaroons. So there's that one and then that one. And look at that bottom washi. See if I can get it to focus. There we go. So you get a lot, and they even get little flags too. Tons and tons and tons. So that was the first order that I got. All right, there's the freebies you get again. I got all of the freebies. And then that one. And then I ordered, this was during the teeny tiny sale, so all this was $1 a piece. So I got the silver, because I always need date dots. So I got the silver. Again, silver. Sorry, these are upside down. Rose gold. And then gold. That's beautiful. Then I ordered these for a special friend of mine who loves Mickey. So hopefully she's not watching this. Aren't those cute? The gold Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. Those are adorable. I cannot wait to give these to her. And then I'm so excited. Oh, I think I ordered 2 Mickeys. Yes, I got them in the silver too. Look how cute. So I got 2 of those. And then I got the holographic Rainbow Sky, I believe is the name of these. Look at here. Look how gorgeous these are. Talk about blinding. Look how beautiful. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use these. There's the bows. I think I got 2 of those. Oh, I might have got 3 of those. Then I got the flags. Let me see if I can pull one away just so you can, just so you can see. Isn't that gorgeous? I got the icons. I don't know if I got 2 of the icons. Figured these would fit perfectly in my Hobonichi too. Look at all the icons she gives you. And then I got the days of the week with the weekend banner. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, these are gorgeous and $1, y'all. Amazing. So you need to head on over to So Cute Planner, get you some of these goodies. She has everything. She has clips, foils, Hobonichi, Erin Condren, Happy Planner, washi. She even has her own washi. Actually, let me go ahead and show you some. Here's some of her washi. There's one. There's another. There's that one. It's black with the gold. I'm trying to do it where you can see it. Whoop. This one, which is why I got that, because I knew it would match. I'm sitting here reaching across. Sorry, guys. This one, the pink with the gold. This one, again, will match that. Then the small gold in pink. And then the ombre blue and turquoise with silver, or hollow. Isn't that beautiful? And that would even match down here too. So head on over there. Like I said, she's got everything you're going to need. PRCRI 318 for 20% off, and you can get my freebie if you mention my name. All right, I hope to see y'all back here real soon. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.